Okay, please ask a question.
My question is that it seems like the input command and the print command does the same function, or what is the difference?
No, they don't do the same function.
Okay. So, but if you type print and then you put what is your name in this
Yes.
parenthesis, this bracket, it is going to give us this same result under here, like we have.
Okay, let me explain it for you. Remember, if you use print, right? Print only give you something that is already stored.
Okay.
Did you get that? But input asks for an information, is waiting for a return.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, okay.
So for example, yes, okay, ask, go on. Your line is breaking. Your network is breaking.
My understanding now is now me. Sorry, can you hear me clearly now, sir?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you now. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
This means that in this place.
Oh, your
Yes, I can
network
hear
is
you.
bad. Your network is bad. Can you
Hello?
type? Your network is
Okay,
bad.
let me
Can you
type.
type?
Let me
Or
type. Let
you
me
can
type.
go on. It's like I can hear you now. Go on.
Okay, which means that on the print function you cannot write anything on the result output.
Yes,
But
it
in the
cannot give
input
you.
function you can write something. You can give an answer.
Yes.
I now understand.
Okay, so for example, remember I wrote Ben there, right? So if I now say print my name, right? Print name.
Yes, sir.
And if I run this now,
Yes.
if I play, you can see now it's asking me for my name, right? Let me say my name is Chooks. Chooks, right? And if I enter, you can see it gives me Chooks.
Yes.
So this Chooks that I gave is now attached to my variable, which is name. I don't know if you get that. Okay, you don't get it. Okay, let me come back. Remember, right? Input asks you for a reply. It's expecting for an answer. It's asking a question and it's expecting for an answer, right?
Yeah.
So whatever answer you give it, it gets attached to the variable you gave it. Are we together?
Yes.
And print only prints whatever is stored in your computer, or whatever you tell it to print, whatever one you tell it to print. But inputs give you an answer of what a user give you, or what to ask the user to do.
Okay.
Maybe as we move on, we'll get to understand the complete difference between input and print, because there's still some confusion, but I hope we don't have to dwell on it and understand completely.
Okay, no problem. Let me try to make another example for you.
So let me 1 minute, let me just come in. So does it mean that input as a function is used when you're asking a question generally?
Yes. Only for questions.
So I think that explains it all.
Yes.
Better.
Thank you. Are you clear now?
Yes.
Mrs. Frances is not here. She would have explained better. Okay. So let's move on.
Please, I have a question, sorry.
Okay, what's the question, ma'am?
So at what point did you put, because I saw what's my name, Chuk, right? At what point did you put name as Shuks? Because I didn't see that command, so.
Okay, you did see it, you saw the print. Okay, no problem. Just look at it. I think you see better in Jupyter Notebook, right? So remember, I have can you see my code in line? Let me run this first to give the time. Okay, can you see? It's only showing star. No problem. Let me give it there. Okay, can you see in 62, line 62?
Yes.
Okay, you can see I have input equals what is my name, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I can see.
Let me put a space here so that I'll have a little space. So if I click on it, it will ask me. You can see the output here asking me for an answer.
Yes.
So I wrote Ben, right? And that is all. It has taken that input. Now, how will I get this answer out? Can you think?
Okay.
Can anybody help me out?
So
Hello?
to say print
Print. Okay, what should I print? You are correct.
I don't yes, sir.
name,
Okay, print what?
name,
What should I?
name.
Okay,
Let's see.
name, right? So it's asking me what is my name. Let me say my name is Chooks. Why is Chooks coming to my face? So my name is Chooks. And you see that? Chooks. Or let me do it like this so that you see very well. Inside my print, I cannot say, I can just say your
name. Okay.
Am I correct?
You can tell
Ah,
us.
you guys are not correcting me. I'm trying to write a string.
Or put
Your name is, and I can say what? And I put name, right? Let me play this and see. Look, I have syntax here.
I think it's just your name is, and close it.
It will not work
Okay.
because I'm supposed to treat something with you guys before we. Okay, your name is name. That's correct. Okay, let's move on. I will do the other example for you. Then I'll correct it when we reach that part. That will fix this error for you. Are we okay?
Yeah.
Hello. So, is anybody still confused, or do you have a question you can ask now? Okay, if there are no questions, wow, we are dropping very fast. If there are no questions, I think I can move, right?
Okay.
Let me leave. Let me just treat this one I was trying to do before I come back. Okay. We have another one we have is a string concatenation. Are you here? So do we all know the meaning of concatenates? That's joining together, right? Hello?
In Excel. Yes, we can hear you.
Like Excel, right? Thank you. Joining together. And we use a plus sign. I think I wrote this in some. How did I do it? And we use a plus sign for concatenation, right?
Yeah.
So this plus sign concatenation is just joining two strings together. So let's go back to that our example and let me finish it for you. So this is where we are, right? So I said, what is my name? My name is Ben, right? And I can just say print your name. Your name is. Are we okay? Remember concatenation, the symbol is plus, right? Plus, what is that? Okay. Name, right? So Why is my notebook not running now? Let me kill the camera and restart. And see. Sorry, it's like it's run back. Okay, are we there? Okay,
Yes.
so what's my name, right? I just said like Chooks, right? Chooks. Don't just mind my spelling. Did you see that? So your name is Chooks. Let me put a space here so that. Are we tired?
No,
So
we
you
are
have your name is Chooks, right?
Mhm.
Can we see that? So
Yes.
print is only used to return something to the screen, while input is used to receive an information or store an information. Is that okay?
Okay. Okay.
We get this right? Hmm? Hello.
Yes.
So for example, in this one now, I can just start building my functions, most of what I've learned. I can do something like, what is your age, right? And what again can I say? I can just print, using what we have learned with concatenation, I can just say something like, your name is plus name, right? Plus and your age is age, right? So let's play it and see. So what's my age? 100. So do you see that? Your name is Chooks and your age is, I think I miss, my name is, I'm supposed to have a space, right? Hello?
Yeah, and this double colon that you use in the first one, you didn't.
Okay, I think it's here that I'm supposed to put that space, right? Are we following? So your name is Chooks and your age is 100. Is it beginning to make sense now?
Okay.
I was actually asking a question. Is it beginning to make sense?
It is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, did you understand? Should I go on?
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know. Maybe you have to. I don't understand it.
Oh, you don't understand. Okay, which
No.
part did you not understand?
Yeah, my question still stand. I mean, at what point did you set age to read that number? Then even the name, at what point did you set name to read Chooks? That's what I don't get.
Okay, thank you. Did you see, did you still have a question?
No, that's all.
Okay, thank you. Did you see line 8? Can you see line 8?
Yes, I can.
So I said name, right? And we have a variable of name, right?
Oh, okay,
I would say
yes,
input, yeah, input, what is your name, right?
yes.
So let me run it now so that you see what is going. What is your name?
Okay,
I was asking your own name.
okay, Shade.
Okay, let me see. My name is Shade. I'm correct, right?
Yeah, SH, yes.
Okay, so if I click enter, can you see that your name is Shade, right?
Okay, yes.
So
Okay,
that
oh,
is
yes, now I understand.
You get
Okay,
that? So
I missed out the name that was before the input.
thank you.
Okay, I
And
didn't see that. Yes,
and the second prince, right? You get it now.
yes,
Can I move on now?
yes, thank you.
You are welcome. Is anybody still confused? Hello? Hello? Okay, can we move on? Can we move on?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that. So we are done with concatenation, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see a bit on formatting. Can we?
Okay.
So string formatting, right? You see, I showed you about concatenation, right? But there's a better way to do it. Hmm? For example, I can say name, right? Name is equals to, should I ask for prompts? Yeah, let me use prompts so that you get used to it. Input, right? Sorry. Input, right?
Mhm.
Are we following, or you guys have let me alone?
Well, with you.
What is my name, right? And I can say
Okay.
I should use age again, right? Age is equal input please your age, right?
Mhm.
So if I run this, right? So ask for my name, which is and my age, which is 100, right? Okay, now let's get an output for it. Are we here? So I
Mhm.
can just say print, sorry.
Plus name. Okay.
Okay, tell me what to do. You are correct. Print. You said what? Age, right?
Yeah, or name plus age.
Print name plus age, right?
Mhm.
And if I play, you'll still ask me again. So I have Shade 100, right?
Yeah.
Am I correct? That's what you asked me to write to. But there's a better way to write it with string formatting, right? So instead of me to use that plus, I can just do something like, let me do it better. Can you do something like,
Okay. Okay.
your name is, I can use, what did you call this kind of brackets? Curly brackets, right? Curly brackets, right?
Yeah.
And your age. Sorry, I made a mistake here. And your age is, am I correct? Hello,
Okay.
should I play this? If I play this, let's see age. So I have your name is name and your age is age, right? Remember in my example up here. Oops, I've gone very far. Wait, where is my string formatting? Okay, I said for us to format, right, we have to use the F later. So I'll come here, right? to this beginning, before my string, before my quotation mark, I'll just put an F. Are we following?
Mhm.
Hello? So if I play it now, I'll say, what's my name? If I say Shadia. And if I say, what's my age? I say 100. Can you see that your name is Shadia and your age is 100?
Okay.
Are you confused? Because that's your okay, somehow. You are confused, right?
Not really. I think the F function brought it out this way.
Yes,
The F
yes,
added.
yes. So the F is formatting, it's called string formatting. So within this string formatting and the one we use to concatenate with plus, which one do you prefer?
Well, this is a better representation of what you actually mean.
Thank you. So this is a better way to write it, but that is another way to add things together. So we are learning, we are moving a little, and it's beginning to make a bit sense, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what else? We also have another format, which use formats. For example, let's do it this way. I can say, and you live in I'll put the same curly bracket, right? Then here I'll put dot formats. Whatever I put inside these formats will get added to my text. And you can, let me say Lagos. So let me play it. F string empty expression not allowed. I think I have an error somewhere there. Oh, sorry, I'm not supposed to put it here. This is an error. I already have an S string at the back, so let me make it in another place. Are we following? So the easiest way for me to make this, can I make this a variable? I can just say your reply, right? Are we following? So I can just say your reply equals, then I can just say print what? Remember our reply is what? That sentence we make, right?
Yeah.
Print your reply. What's good example can I do with this one? Let me say your name is I can just say, I think this will live in should not be here, right? Are we following it? So I can just say, and you live in, I can just leave this one empty. Then I can just come here and put dot formats Lagos. I have an error here. So let's play it and see. What is my name? What's my age? So I have your name is Shade, your age is 100, and you live in Lagos. Did you see that? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, so
Okay. You wanted to say something.
I'm trying to understand.
What I just did.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm looking for a better way to explain it to you actually. So for us to, okay, let me explain it this way. For us to format our strings, right? There are actually different ways to do it, but the easiest one and the most popular ones is to use the F word, the F for format, right? I think you're already used to that. You know the F for format. So the second one is where you can use something like a placeholder and put dot format and put what you want. Okay, let's say, are you in line 18? Are you in line 18? Can you see line 18?
Yes, we can see line 18.
Okay, so in line 18, right, I can just say location.
Okay. Location equals to.
Oh God, why is it? So I can just say, let me see, use the prompt and ask you for location. Inputs, right? Inputs. Where you can get an idea on how you can create forms and collect data, right? Where do you live? We have 10 minutes left for this class again. So after this one, can we finish everything? Are you already tired?
I don't know, other participants can answer. So
Because
it won't be as
nobody's replying me again. Hello. They cannot reply me again. Okay, let me just print it out. So I can just print it out like this, right? Print. Print what? Okay, let me do the same thing. Your name is what should I put here? Curly brackets, right? Sorry, I missed something. You are not correcting me.
Oh, sorry. Strange, you have to use your picture.
So your name is what I have his name, right?
Yeah. And your age is.
Your age is curly brackets, right?
Okay. Age.
So okay, age, right? Age.
Yeah, in between the brackets.
So I have to put my formatted string here for it to work, right? So if I click this, I can just say, and I can just say 10. And you live in, I can just say Lagos. Okay, you say your name is Shadi and you live in Lagos, right? But we have not added location to it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can still assign this to a variable, right?
You
I
can
can
put
just
all together. Okay, yeah.
Yes, I can just say about
Shadi.
or let's just say about you equals like this, right? So now let's try to add Lagos inside of it. How can I add Lagos? I can just do something like print what?
About you.
About you. About you. I'm trying to see how to do this thing. What do you say?
No, I'm
Okay.
saying you didn't put the apostrophe or something.
Okay, let me say, okay. Your full, so it may not make sense, but let me just demonstrate it for you. Your full sentence. So, or I can just say you live in, right? You live in, hmm? You're
Okay.
following, right? I
Yeah.
can just say dot format here, right? This dot format, I want to add anything I want here. So what did I want to add? That is a location, right? So I can just say, sorry, and my location there is supposed to be small letters, not capital letter. Let me correct it.
Advice to write in small cups.
Yes.
Okay.
Location, right? So let's ask it and see what is my name. What's my age? Is 100. Where is that? Because oh, and I missed something here, right? At my last line, I missed that's curly brackets.
Okay.
Okay, let's rerun it. What's my name? You see that? So, and you live in Lagos. So, except I'm expecting the if let's say I am expecting a feedback or something, I can just use this dot format and add it to my sentence or add it to whatever I want to do. Is it making sense now?
Okay.
Are you sure it's making sense?
I was thinking the
Okay.
whole sentence will come out in one, maybe just in one line.
Okay,
As your
now,
out.
okay, now just look at it and tell me how we can make this whole sentence just one line.
So the
The concatenation.
function,
That is not a very good solution. So you want us to put plus, plus, plus.
Okay, about you
Mhm.
and your location. Can that work?
Okay, so let me do what, we can type in that, we can type it and the computer will not shout at us, right?
Sure.
Okay, good. So let's see, I should just say,
Right, about
about you, quotation. Why did you say quotation? Remember, about you is no longer a string. It is a variable.
Okay, yeah, it's not a variable. Okay.
So about you and what?
Location.
How can I add location? Okay, I should use concatenation like this. Is this what you are saying?
Yes.
Okay, this works, but this is not what I am looking for.
Why not just remove the print and continue the sentence?
Remove what? I'm coming,
Remove
sir.
the print.
I'm coming.
Oh.
So I'm coming,
Or what
please.
if you type
I
it in
will
another
attend
line
to
of
you.
code?
See, your line of code is giving an issue. Unsupported operands for plus, non-type or string. Thank you for this, your result. It has bring us to a wahala. So remember I told you your concatenation, your inputs, right? It only returns a string. Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So I told you your concatenation only returns strings, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you cannot add a string and a number. For example, I cannot say print what? Name plus I can just use age or 100. Okay, let me use age. Name plus age. Oh, I missed T. Print. Okay, we have Shade 100, right? Why is that?
Yeah.
Because both of them are what? Are string, right?
Yes.
So if I do 100 like this, can we see that can only concatenate string, not int to string? So can we
Okay.
get that?
String to string.
Yes, you can concatenate string, right? But remember you have numbers, and numbers, this plus is also used for addition in numbers.
Okay.
And it's used for concatenation in string. So
What if you put the 100 with quotation?
okay, it becomes a string which will work. Where is it? It becomes a string which will work.